Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up your business on Wix.com. So you hit to marketing and SEO, you can scroll down to business card or Google business profile or Google Ads. So whatever you need to start your business. I'll be showing you the business card. You can create a business card can so you take it with you and get your people to know your company and your website. So you get started, you create the business card here, buy it, and then starting from $42, you can create your business card. There are some cool designs in this website. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.